Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and I'm just going to have a quick look around to see if we've got any lifers in. Lifers are shoes that have been in this shop longer than I have, and we just can't move them. So I'm going to go around one or two of the shoes. These will just be one-off shoes that we've got left that we're happy to get rid of. They've just been sitting around, and when you don't have the run of shoes anymore, it's good sometimes just to get rid of that size 8 that was the last one, or that size 10 is the last one, because when it's on the shelf, somebody's bound to come in and ask you, have you got that in a size 8? And if we haven't got it, or we can't get it anymore, or it's discontinued, it's just as well to ditch that stock. So I'll be going around now and seeing what we can find. Okay, the first pair we find, the Barker Dowd. Now this is old stock. This is lovely. Look at this full leather sole, leather midsole, leather heel stack, fully leather lined. This is a size 9, and I'm actually going to just slip my foot in this. I'm a size 9, probably a slightly slender size 9. That's the Barker Dowd. We have this left over in a size 9 and a size 10 F fitting, but I'm a size 9, a slender size 9, and this is half a size too big for me. It's on, and the 472 last. 472 last. Yep, and the 472 last. I don't like quoting all these numbers for the lasts, but it'll mean something to some people. It'll mean I'm a bit of a knob to others. But anyway, that's on the 472 last. And I'm a size 9. This is a size 9. And it's probably half a size too big for me. So if you think you're a big size 9, or you're a 9.5, you'll probably get away with this. This was £315, and it's going to be £195. Come and have a look at that. That is just stunning. I'll get a few pictures of that. Big fitting 9. We have a 9 and a 10 left in the Dowd. Okay, next up is this. Joseph Cheaney, Islington, size 8. And it is an 8. So when I say it is an 8, it's not a big fitting 8. It's just like a standard fitting 8. Stunning shoe. Discontinued by Joseph Cheaney. This was £475. It really is gorgeous, the colour in that shoe. Why they've stopped doing this, I don't know. They're probably doing something similar. But anyway, this is discontinued. Lovely shoe. Was at 475. I think they had it down to 295. We'll put this down at 275. One pair, size 8, 275. And when I've done this video, I'm going to try this on, because if it fits me, it's coming home with me. That is gorgeous. Okay, here we have another Joseph Cheney Jackson in dark leaf. Again, discontinued, I believe. It was £525. A lot of money. But even at 525, it was a great boot. It really was a fabulous boot. Studded sole. Lovely, lovely boot. This will be size 9.5, just the one size 9.5. This will be £275. And all of these are free UK post. If you're outside the UK, give us a bell or email us and we'll give you a price on the postage out to you. The next one is the Barker Kelmarsh. This is the size 8.5 Kelmarsh in the grained, cedar grain, but the cedar grain has actually changed colour. This is the original cedar grain, and we have a size 8 G fitting. So it's a very big fitting shoe, this Barker. Big fitting, size 8, G fitting, extra wide, grained leather, so it gives beautifully, it relaxes. And we have it in the 8.5. Two different colours. This one discontinued. This one is still current. The darker one still current. And of course, they come with the beautiful day-night sole. Full retail was £375. These are on offer everywhere at £280. No reason why we can't match that for you. Of course, free UK delivery. And if you're outside the UK, let us know. but a great shoe, a really nice, heavy, robust shoe. Will take some hammer and fully repairable, of course. Fully leather lined. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. I shall carry on and put a few more shoes out there. I'll go around the shop, stuff that's been kicking around a little bit too long. And all good stock, all good stuff. We wouldn't send it out to you if not, or I would tell you. So we'll just have a look around, see what we can find, and see if we can find any bargains and put them out here for you.